guys do while I was gone today? Because I see bird feathers. Goldie, what did you guys do? I see bird feathers. And guess what? There's a bird sitting on... Holy crap! And the water is on. What the crap is going? What did you guys do today? There's stuff everywhere. Bird feathers. Did you bring a bird, Goldie? Did you bring a bird in the house? Oh, good grief. Oh my gosh. There is a bird. Okay, Goldie, you have to take it outside, because, oh crap, there's a bird in our house. Oh gosh. I opened the door. The bird's still there. How am I going to get this thing out? Goldie's probably tried to bite the thing. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe if I try one of the spatula. Oh my gosh, it went in the house! Oh my gosh! Oh, good grief. Oh my gosh, it's on a pitcher! Oh! Spatula. Okay, spatula, here we go. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, go that way. Oh, bird. Oh my gosh, it's following. Oh, oh my gosh, where did it go? Oh my gosh. Go outside. Oh crap, it went in the window. Oh, poor bird, it's like breathing so hard. Guess what, birdie? I'm gonna scare you. Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh, are you tired? Goldie must have bit you. You can really see him breathing hard. Oh, poor birdie. Okay. Kitty, come in to scare the bird. Seriously, what kind of mess have they made here? There's bird feathers everywhere. Okay. Kitty, Goldie, there you are. Come here. I'm going to have you scare the cat. Come here. No, I'm scaring the bird. It doesn't scare the bird. Come on. Why is this not scaring the bird? Where's Goldie? He'll eat it. Okay. Let's do your job. Don't walk away. Kill the bird. Okay, where's the spatula? Oh crap, it went in the living room again. Get it, Goldie. There's Kitty. Come on, bird. Oh, okay. Please, make it go outside. Oh crap, it's on the sink. Goldie, it's right here. I'm sorry I hurt you. Where's my brother was here, he would totally grab the bird. Okay. Come on. Bird, get out of my house. Oh my gosh, that's so sad. But what the crap is spilled? What is that? Come on, bird. Get out. Still here. Okay. Birdie! Birdie, get out of the house. Birdie. Oh, is your foot hurt? Did Goldie hurt your foot? I'm not surprised. Okay, but you can't stay. Come on. Birdie, get out of my house. Your foot looks hurt. But you can't. Oh my gosh, bird, you can't stay. It's like oil all over. Or whatever was. Ah! Crap! Get out of the house! Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! I can't reach up there. Oh. This has gotta be weird. Okay. Ugh! Come on! Broom? Broom. I'm getting a broom. Okay. Okay. Alright, cats. You gotta help me here. Okay? You gotta help me. Goldie, come here. Come get this bird that you brought in the house. Oh! Don't hide behind the cereal. Oh, good grief. Where is it? Oh. Oh. Oh, goodness. There he is. Okay. Let's try to get this broom up there. Oh goodness, this isn't working. I think it's injured. Bird. Good grief. I think it's just gonna sit there. It's been panting, so it's probably out of breath and it's gonna die. Who knows? What did you do, Goldie? Don't bring cats in the house when we're not here. So weird. Kitty. Alright, I got on a chair. My brother said to block any bright light. And I have moved everything from on top of the fridge and covered the bird in a pillowcase. And he said to grab the bird and take it outside. And I don't know if I can do it. Oh, Kitty, where did you go? There's Goldie. Where did it go? Where did the bird go, boys? Huh? Is it hiding under the bed? Oh my gosh, there it is. Between the pillow and Dave's socks. Oh, I gotcha. Okay, let's go get that. I'm a wuss. I can't grab a bird. This is so... Oh my gosh, I can't do this. Maybe I should just wait till Dave gets home and maybe the bird will be dead by then and from all the stress. Yeah, then we can just put it in the garbage and Goldie won't bring it inside. Goldie, stop! Alright. The bird's on top of the curtains. I think I'm gonna have to shake the curtains. Oh, that's not working. I think I'm gonna have to throw an object at it. Let's go get the spatula. Okay, of course said birds are attracted to light, so I closed off the door and the bird is up there. Kind of hoping he'll be attracted to the open light door. I'm really hoping. Let's get this spatula. Who cares if the pasta's... Come on. Oh, almost. Almost. No! Go outside! You're supposed to go towards the light, buddy. Come on. No! Okay. No! Go outside. Oh, and now I have two cats on the dirty kitchen counter. Okay. Yes, yes, yes! It went out! Yes, it went out. Okay, there it is on the tree. Hallelujah! Okay. Alright, where'd you go, Goldie? Culprit. Instigator. Always. Have fun. But don't catch the bird again.